so next I'm going to assemble the front left and front right. 620, I think number 6, 1¼ inch. So goes one in. It's always easier to use this. And a knot on the back to hold it. Should suffice. One. I don't want to tighten it too much because then the aluminum may bend. Okay, this is already used. That's a no. Yeah, another one. Put here. Go in, get a knot. Put it in. Third one goes in. And the knot. Don't forget use a plier. Okay, so that's the first side, and 2 holes here on the side, so this shows that this is on the left side. The right side doesn't have 2 holes, so 1, 2 here, just 1 and 2 here. This is the right side. And again, number 6, 1/4 inch. This. The problem that I have right now is that when I cut this, well, actually it does look fine. Yeah. So when I cut this end is a little bit too tall, and when I put it, the holes don't align. So what I need to do, I need to cut like just a little bit. Let me just show it to you. Like cut this piece from the end so that when you put it in, the holes align. Okay. So I didn't cut that piece, just filed it down a little and fix the problem. So this guy goes in, tightens it. Okay. Now if you felt that it is too short and it doesn't stick out enough, Then you can get a longer screw that is number 6/2 inch, but for most of them it should work fine. And I usually put like a couple of extra screws in there, so don't worry if you run out of the screws. I'll show it to you how it looks in the other side. Yeah. So there's this. Or not. That's good. Last one. Yeah. So it didn't work out as I hoped for. I'm going to use 1.5 inch instead. Okay, so that's that, and then this is how it looks from the other side. So if you use 1 and 125, it goes exactly flush. If you use 1.5 inch, then a little bit sticks out. Okay, so these two are set. Now installing the back left frame. Before installing the back left frame, which is this guy, and it will sit like this, so these two are aligned, and also okay, so these two are not aligned, so it will sit like this, goes like this, and also this hole, it's more on the back side, so it goes like this. And before you install it, first make sure that when you do the upper side, the parts will align from the back. Trying to get the camera right. Yeah, if they don't align, you may want to cut from the top a little bit to make sure that they align. The two brackets we have to install here, and I have the two parts right here, and it requires a 1.5 inch, 632 1.5 inch. So these are the parts. The orientation doesn't matter. It goes like this. So first part, then second part, and the third part. and then a nut. Good. Make the panels straight. Nice. And then I will sit here in this format with 2 screws, 1.5 inch. So and in the early panels that I shipped, there's no hole here, so first I'm going to drill 2 holes here. Okay. If I turn it on the side, you need 1 hole here. Another one here. And 1 hole here. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, and you're set. So once that's done, the 2 screws will go from behind. High shift. Wrong size. I used a 2 inch 632. I want you 632 1.5. That goes in. Put a knot. Second one. And a knot. All right. Good. And then you want to install this one as well. So this part, this hole is the L bracket. Here's this piece. It's 1 by 1.5. Again, you use 1.5 inch, goes from the bottom, then it goes in and will sit like this. Done. Alright. Then you want to make sure that it stays straight. Oops.